Hello students, now we will start exercise 3.3 of chapter 3 understanding quadrilaterals. Now before we start our exercise 3.3, in this exercise we will need properties of quadrilaterals. Here this exercise is based on properties of parallelogram. So first of all we should know the properties of parallelogram, otherwise you will not be able to do this. So properties of parallelogram we have already seen in our previous video, that is introduction video. In introduction video we have seen properties of parallelogram. Once again let us see the properties. So here the question is, given a parallelogram ABCD, parallelogram ABCD is given to us. Okay, this is the figure. Complete each statement with the definition or property used. Now you will have to find out the answers of this with the help of properties or definitions. So this is our parallelogram ABCD. Now we will first recall all the properties of parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. So this AB is equal to CD. So opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. So opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So this is first property. Second is opposite angles of parallelogram is equal. So angle A is equal to angle C. Same way angle D is equal to angle B. Or you can also write as angle DAB is equal to angle DCB. So opposite angles are equal. So which angle is opposite to A? C. So this angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. So opposite angles are equal. Then third property is diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So these are the diagonals DB and AC. So diagonals of a parallelogram, they bisect each other. So your OC will be equal to OA. Also OD will be equal to OB because diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So these diagonals, they cut into two equal pieces. So this AO and this OC will be equal. They bisect. Now next property was the total of adjacent angle of a parallelogram. It is always supplementary. Adjacent angle means angle lying on the same side, not opposite angles. Okay, opposite angles are A and C. Now we are talking of adjacent angles. So adjacent angles means this angle A and angle D. These both are adjacent angle. So pair of opposite angle, they are supplementary. So the total of angle A plus angle D will be equal to 180 degree. Again, another adjacent angles are angle D and angle C. So these both are also pair of adjacent angles. Also angle C and angle B and angle A and angle B. So these angles which are lying on the same side, or the angles which are connected through a common side. So this angle A and angle B, they both are adjacent angles. Same way angle B and angle C are adjacent angles. Same way C and D are adjacent, and same way A and D are adjacent. So adjacent angles totals always you will get 180 degrees. So adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So these are the properties of a parallelogram. Now let us start. First one is AD. So here, where is AD? Here, this is AD. This side is AD. So AD will be equal to what? So with the help of this figure we will find out. So AD will be equal to BC. So AD will be equal to BC. Why? Because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So we will write that AD will be equal to BC. Here BC will come. The reason, we also have to mention the definition or the property. So reason will be opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So this will be the reason. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Now second one, angle DCB. So angle DC and B. So they are talking of angle C. So angle DCB will be equal to which angle? So again we have seen another property, that is opposite angles are equal. So angle DCB will be equal to angle DAB. So here the answer will be angle DAB. So angle DCB will be equal to angle DAB. Reason, which property here we are using? So opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So this will be our property. Now third one, OC. OC. So where is OC? Here. This part is OC. So OC will be equal to OA. OC will be equal to OA. Which property we are using here? So diagonals of a parallelogram, they bisect each other. So that will be the property. So OC equal to OA. Property we have to mention. So diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So this will be the property. So OC will be equal to OA. Now fourth one, last one, measure angle DAB plus measure angle CDA. So DAB, so DA and B means this angle, plus measure angle CDA. C, D and A, so this angle. So this angle A and angle D. So what will be the total of angle A and angle D? So angle A and angle D, they are adjacent angle. And just now we have discussed the property that the total of adjacent angles, it is always equal to 180 degree. So here we will write measure angle DAB plus measure angle CDA. This will be equal to 180 degree. Reason, we will write the reason. Okay, we will mention the property that adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So this will be our reason. So our reason or our property will be this. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So this was question number 1 of exercise 3.3.